Right guys, I'm back.
And actually fucking re-recording this part after I fell off the edge and died right before I got the fucking platinum bolt. Right, actually, there's one up there, okay? I'm trimming this down. There's one up there. Now. Basically, travel down here. Oh, that's right. Alright, go in with this first so you can have a right job on your hands. Bloody camera. Right. Okay, there's the first one. Right, the second one, as I mentioned in the previous part before, I had to cut it out because I died. The second one, I can't remember that easily how to get it. Alright, so it's over there. Yeah, it's over there, guys. I think you can get this one first time around. Hold on. There we go. Right. There we go. Right, I'll be right back for the next planet.